There are a number of methods you can use when solving a long multiplication problem. Now we will be looking at the column method. Let's look at this problem, 23 multiplied by 53. When using the column method, we write the numbers one on top of the other. In this example, we have put 23 on the top and 53 on the bottom. Notice that the ones or unit columns have been placed one on top of the other. The same has also happened with the 2 and 5 in the tens column. Now that our equation has been laid out correctly, we're ready to start completing the problem. We begin with the bottom ones column, in this case a 3. We multiply this number by the top ones column. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. We stick with the bottom 3 and we then multiply by the top tens column. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. We are now finished multiplying by the bottom ones column and we're ready to move on to multiplying by the bottom tens column, in this case a 5. Now it's important to remember that the 5 in this equation does not represent 5. It's in the tens column, therefore it represents 50. To make it easier for yourself when you're multiplying, simply put a 0 in the bottom ones column. You can now treat the 5 as 5 instead of 50. So we now multiply the bottom tens column by the top ones column. In this case, 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. So we put down the 5 and we carry the 1. We now multiply the bottom tens column by the top tens column. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, and then we add on our 1 that we carried, and that becomes 11. We are now finished with the multiplication part of this question. The rest is very simple. You simply take the two answers that you had and you add them together. In this example, we have 9 plus 0 is 9. Then we have 6 plus 5, which is 11. We write down the 1 and we carry the 10. We have 1 plus the 1 that we carried, which is 2. And 1 plus 0 is 1. And this is our final answer.